You're going to watch the life and adventures of 6 students, both inside and outside of school. There's going to be 3 girls and then there's going to be 3 boys. First, you're going to listen to some activities, some dialogues that they're going to do, and after that, you'll have the opportunity of practicing some of the structures that they talked about. All right, are you ready? It's the first day of class. Here we go.
Entonces, Caro, ¿ya te contrató la televisora?
Ay, chico, es el fastidio.
Hey, you're forgetting something.
Ay, mi amor, como que se te olvidó el inglés que sabías. Se dice, aren't you forgetting something?
Anyway, aren't you forgetting something?
Okay, I'm going to speak English all the time with you. That's our pact.
Yes, we have to remember that it's important for our future.
Yes, we have to remember that.
Carolina, you make me sick.
Do you know why we were laughing?
No, I don't. Why?
The way you pronounced sick, you said sick.
Oh, one is short, sick, and the other long, sick.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, thanks.
All right, you've watched your first video. How did it go? Did you understand everything? So, remember, you can repeat this as many times until you understand everything. What do you think about the way that Jose Gregorio corrected Janeira? You see, there's 2 different ways of pronouncing the E sound. One is very short, E, and the other one is long. And if you do it one way or the other, the meaning of the word can be different. For example, sick. That's what Janeira wanted to say. But she said seek. No, you make me seek. And seek, it means something. It's to look for something, to seek. So the pronunciation makes a lot of difference in English, all right? Okay, all right. Now, if you can, I'd like you to go and do exercise number 1. It doesn't have to do with pronunciation, it's something else, but I want you to do it and then come to and watch the second dialogue. All right? Sick,
Sick,
seek,
sick,
pick,
pick,
peak,
pick,
tin,
teen,
teen.
teen.
What does pick mean and what does peak mean?
It means elegir.
What?
Elegir, teacher. I picked petroleum engineering as my profession.
So elegir means to elect, to pick?
Yes, teacher, but pronounce it like this. Elegir.
Elegir. All right, thanks. Elegir. Thank you, teacher Janeira. Now, seriously, I'm going to give you a list of pairs and you should try to look up the meanings, all right?
Perfect, teacher. Thanks.
All right, so John and Janeira had their small meeting. John was helping Janeira with the pronunciation of this difficulty that she had with sick and seek. But he also gave her a list, I think of 20 pairs that have the similar problem. And what I'd like you to do is, when you go to the exercises, is to find the meaning of each one of the 2 pairs to see that there is a big difference between the meaning of the 2. All right?
I asked you to stay to talk about your plans for university.
Profesora, ¿en inglés?
Yes, in English. I think you can do it. What do you say? So, Jonathan, what are you going to study at university?
Teacher, I'm not going to study at university. I'm going to be a baseball player in the big leagues. I think it will be better for me than studying.
And you want to study Humanidades. Why?
Because it is easier than ciencias.
Really? Do you think so?
Yes, teacher. There is no physics, biology, or chemistry, and the math is not so difficult.
But there is a lot of reading and other languages. Do you like reading?
Oh, yes, teacher, I do. I read the sports page every day.
I mean, reading about psychology, the arts, literature.
Do I have to do what?
Oh, yes. If you want to graduate, yes, you do.
But teacher, all I want to do is to improve my English to play in the US.
You can do your reading in English for those courses and even answer some of the questions in the tests in it. What do you think? You'll be improving your English a lot that way.
Profesora, gracias. Sorry. Thank you, teacher. That's a great idea. I'll do it.
Okay, so you saw that Jonathan and Luisa had a small meeting. Luisa, in this case, is not acting as an English teacher. She's acting in her capacity of helping people decide what to study afterwards. But you heard Jonathan. All he wants to do is play baseball. That's all he wants. He doesn't want to study. He doesn't want to do anything except improve his English. But he has to graduate as well. So Luisa gave him some advice about what to read and what to do in order to improve his English if he's going to stay in humanities, no? Because there is a lot of reading that you have to do in humanities, as all of you probably know. Okay, so then she told him to go ahead and do some of the exercises that you'll find as well, exercise number 3 actually. So go ahead and do that, all right?
Teacher, I'm not going to study at university. I'm going to be a baseball player in the big leagues. I think it will be better for me than studying. Profesora, gracias. Sorry. Thank you, teacher. That's a great idea. I'll do it.
Okay, guys, we've had a chance to review a little bit of grammar, grammar of the future with going to and will. You also reviewed a bit of the present continuous and also the structure have to, one of the modals. All right. We also had a little bit of pronunciation practice with these difficult words to distinguish, seek and seek. And so that was it. All right. I'll see you next class.